Hey guys, what's up? It's Health, Beauty and Fashion channel here, coming at you with another exciting video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome tips and tricks to help you live your best life. First things first, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from me. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. Discover the secret to youthful and radiant skin with Vibrant Glamour Naturals Retinol Cream for Face. Our anti-aging cream contains 2.5% pure retinol, a powerful ingredient that fights fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, rough texture, and loss of firmness. With over 25 years of perfecting this formula, we are one of the leading experts in retinol skincare. Our retinol cream also contains 10% botanical hyaluronic acid, organic jojoba oil, vitamin E, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, deuterospermum parky shea butter, and many other natural and organic ingredients to nourish and moisturize your skin. Witness the firming and whitening of your skin in just 4 weeks with our 5-dimensional whitening ingredients that effectively reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and skin pigmentation. Suitable for all skin types, our retinol cream can be used both morning and night. Gradually incorporate the cream into your skincare regimen for sensitive skin types.